2022. We're at 111% on USO. We'll talk about if we want to um, roll that trade, but I think for now we take our profits and chill. Let's talk about this. So on the ES weekly, we are stuck here between the body of last week, and that's what we're projecting right now. So iron condors potentially, if you're doing that. And then here on the daily, our focus is again the trendy edge and the cloud. These are resistance until proven otherwise. The 4 hour, we talked about that this morning. It was looking, the positive note is that the V shape or the trajectory of the move was here. All right. And I love that type of setup as long as we're coming into what we call demand. We verified that on the monthly chart. Okay, that we were in demand, so it is possible price can bounce there. We got that confirmation over here by looking at the 5-minute chart. The 5-minute chart using momentum change in the trendy script, looking for red to white to green. Okay, and at the same time, we noticed that the momentum to the downside started fading, and notice that the yellow bars here on the TTM squeeze started to push up. And as soon as we hit that sweet spot, we noticed a change in the color of the candles and a break of the pre-market zone. And then we got some light blue momentum to the upside to fire simultaneously. Okay, that's what's going on here. Bigger time frame tells me to relax. The smaller time frame, obviously, are quick trades in and out. Nothing wrong with that. Just always understand the bigger trend. Okay, so swings in this situation, if you're swinging, you're patient because of the charts I just showed you to the left hand side. If you're intraday trading, pulling stops up, collecting profits, and going about your business. You do not have to be here in front of the charts all day unless your focus is over here. And then again, if you make money, why are you staying? Take your money, leave, enjoy your life, and then come back to check on your longer term positions that are just kind of hanging out here at the levels, right? That's the idea. To me, that's that's being trendy. And probably, I'm just taking a guess here, would probably be, the easiest way to approach trading every day. Also, I know you guys are on here. I really, really ask you this every single day. If you guys could go out and like my content especially when I do videos or comment on them, I appreciate you. Um, we had another service yesterday who said, "Oh, I don't know if you guys saw it." They're like, "Oh, that's cool, man, the alerts." And he said, "Is there a cost to this?" And I'm like, "Yeah, there's a cost and there's a maintenance fee, for you to have like real-time alerts like I do." Um, to this date, nobody's actually taken us up on our offer. Um, and so I really hope somebody jumps on so that we can start spreading transparency and giving some of these services out there integrity. So that would make me really, really happy. But it's not easy to make me happy when it comes to trading services. So, all right. So a couple other things we'll be doing later on in the session is using our scanner for an edge scan. Okay. Now, if you think about this, if we're doing an edge scan, we want to know, I want to know when using this here, over here on the right hand side, I want to know if it's setting up not only on a squeeze, but are we getting ready to break a edge and it could be a possible trade for us. Okay, so we'll get into that a little bit later as well. We'll check out some things, do some scanning, and I think that will really help us out. Okay. Let's go ahead and minimize that. I want to check out USO. Nice little pop there. Matter of fact, if we can pop up to the 23, so if we get that alert, let's get that alert. If we pop here, okay, I'm going to edit this. Instead of saying stop, let's roll to and out the money with profits. Okay. I think that's a cool idea, right? All right, so we're just going to relax here. We're looking for now the daily mid edge to hold. And we would expect resistance up around the line in the sand. It's also confluent with quite a few edges here. So that makes sense. So that should be a target. I don't know, is Jerome speaking right now? Does anybody know? He was supposed to be. So if he's speaking, that makes sense. Okay. Get a little bit of volatility, not a whole lot.